Oh, Jacqueline, do you like the new dress?
Yeah.
Wow, look. Show it to Grandma Wong. Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, yeah. Wow, is it cute? It's perfect. It is perfect. No, I'm filming you. You have to say hi.
Hi. I'll take the hanger.
Wow, Jacqueline, what's that? Go over there. What's that, Jacqueline? Is that a purse? Wow, it's together with the dress. Whoa, you like it?
Help?
How do you carry it? There you go. Wow. Do you like it?
It was closed. Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Are you a big girl? Yeah. Yeah. Should I take the tag off? Yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. Stay right there.
Are you holding the purse up? Let's see.
On your shoulder. Okay, lift your arm up. Can you turn?
Turn. Wow, show Grandma Wong.